Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. I've been working on trying to do a flower Dutch pour, just with my Dutch pour paint. And I'm just having a hard time with my colors, so I'm gonna try another one for the last time and see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna use purples and green. I did have some gold before, but I didn't like how the gold looked. That's Ultraviolet by Amsterdam. These are just mixed paints mixed with Floetrol and water. I got a bit of green here. I'm just gonna, I think I'll just put some green around the outside maybe. Let's see how that goes. Trial and error here. This is Oriental Violet by Petal. And I have some blue violet, Amsterdam blue violet. Okay. I'll try my mini blower. Well, I like this a little better. My base color, my white paint is Artist Loft, and I don't like it as much as using Amsterdam. I like the Amsterdam better. I also have mixed both together, which seems better. You get a lot of this white with the Artist Loft. Just give me a little spin here. I'm gonna blow this out a bit more. I think I'll use my straw. Still don't know if I like this. I like the colors a little better. It's pretty dark in the middle, but maybe my blower needed to be wider. All right, let's see what we can do here. Maybe I can make it look pretty with some embellishments. Oh, that was a big one. I didn't get a lot of the green showing through. Starting to look pretty though. I don't like this. Okay, what else can I do here? What a difference when you start to embellish it a little bit. It looks so pretty. I get my skewer. Now have I done them all? This one's already going off. Well, let's see. Spin it a little bit. Just putting some paint on the sides from the drips. If you like my paintings, like my channel, please subscribe if you like watching my paintings or like blooms. I do a lot of blooms and swipes. I'm starting to do more Dutch pours. Hit that bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I do a new video. It really helps my channel if you give me a thumbs up and comment below. The more you guys watch, the better my channel does. And I can keep doing these videos. I've been doing them for a long time now. Probably 4 years almost. So I got like 1,300 videos on there. All different. I've narrowed it down mainly to blooms, swipes, and Dutch pours now. So that's not too bad. I don't mind that little hint of the green in the middle there. What do you think? You think it's good? It's not bad. Let me have a look from up here. Oh, look at these cells coming off here. They're pretty. Give it a torch. Okay, I think I'm done. One side has pretty cells right there. A little bit there. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day, everybody. And I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a good day. Bye-bye. I just came back to show you. I just torched a little more in the middle. That looks pretty. Got some of that green coming through. There, I like it. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's the dried results of my Dutch pour flower. It's really good. I'll take him in for a close-up. I like it. It's very pretty. I like the center too. It's very nice. There you go. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Come back for more Dutch pours. Bye-bye.